My name's Tim Busuttil, and I just finished a Bachelor of Design in Visual Communications with honours at UTS. Yeah, I mean, I ended up in visual communications coming out of Year 12 art, and I was an illustrator back then, primarily. And what I ended up finding was that I wanted to use that kind of visual inclination for more problem solving and applying those skills in new places. And I didn't know really much at all about VisCom, and I ended up in it, and here we are, I guess. My project adjacent is an emergent auditory spatiotemporal map. It's a system which takes in data of the place and time that it currently is in, or can read from pre-recorded data, and turns it into audio. So it's all coded in a program called Max. My favorite part of VisCom has definitely been a couple of the subjects that really stood out for me as formative and important experiences in terms of how I work and the kinds of people I want to work with. There's a subject in second year called Narrative Form and Time, where you get to try out a lot of different things. You try coding, you try motion graphics, you try visual narrative, so you do some illustration. And that was a big step for me in finding coding as the kind of thing that I'm interested in, the way of working that I'm interested in. We went to Hong Kong for 2 weeks. The tutors that took us were fantastic. The people I met there were incredible. And the project we did, in hindsight, is kind of a precursor to the project I've done for honours. So it was a really cool experience, and it's great that everyone gets to do it. I think people come to uni with this kind of idea, especially in something that's in a way quite vocational, like visual communication is, and they expect to get skills and learn how to do things and make things with their hands and make things with software. And absolutely, I've done that. But I think the most valuable thing I've learned is how to work in a team and how to communicate ideas before they're ready. I think when you get out into the big, scary world, everyone knows that skills about software and hand skills can be taught, but being able to hold your own in a conversation and sort of own your ideas is the most important thing that I've taken away. And the confidence that sort of the staff and students give you through their support and through their criticism and encouragement is the most important thing, because skills you can learn anywhere.